Claudia Winkleman's BBC Radio 2 replacement talks dropping out of nerve-wracking plan. Claudia Winkleman's replacement has opened up on the nerve-wracking prospect of taking over her Radio 2 slot, while he admits he would be devastated if he had to drop out of another grueling commitment the same weekend, a marathon. Claudia Winkleman's 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday slot on BBC Radio 2 is to be taken over by comic Ramesh Ranganathan, and H is preparing for the worst, as he admits that her listeners might dislike change. However, hell be dealt an even tougher blow just hours later, as H has also agreed to take part in the London Marathon, following an impressive 3-stone weight loss. Speaking on Zoe Ball's breakfast show this morning, he sarcastically quipped, "What I wanted to do something incredibly nerve-wracking like a new radio show and then for me to finish that first show and that not be the end of my weekend's anxiety." He added jokingly, "Thankfully, I've made that dream come true." In fact, Ramesh has even resorted to secretly hoping for an injury that might rule him out of the 26.2-mile sprint. He cheekily confided to Zoe, "Every time I go on a training run or anything, actually, if I'm going down some stairs, there is part of me that thinks, if I hurt myself in a way that took me out of the marathon, I would be devastated." She had already sussed out his strategy, telling him, "When I ran into you in the corridor out there, you did say to me that you were kind of hoping you might have an injury." Not willing to firmly commit, he explained, "People go, 'You're running the marathon.' And I'm like, well, I'm not running the marathon. That is in my plans, like, it's in my diary, it's in my online calendar." Whether that's actually going to happen, still remains to be seen. In fact, H has already planned the public speech he'll give on social media if H is forced to pull out.